Now right over here you have 4 covers. Under these covers are screws. Okay, so that's one cover. Okay. Right here is the battery. So lift it from here. You see, this is where the battery is connected. The wire is here. Okay, so that's how to take the back cover off and access the battery in the inside of the watch. Now I'm going to replace the cover. Okay, so you have to make sure that the contacts match up like so. So it has to go this way. Just press it firmly in. So now I'm going to replace the covers. And there you go. That is how to remove the back cover on a KW18 Smartwatch. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.